Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your lead magnet with Mailchimp email sequences step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab in the main menu. Click on the Create Campaign button in the upper right corner. Select the email option from the drop-down menu. Choose Automated from the email types available. Select Custom to create a new automation workflow. Name your project in the designated field. Click on Begin to start setting up your email sequence. Choose the audience that will receive your lead magnet. Set a delay for when the first email should be sent, typically immediately or a few minutes after subscription. Click on the Add Email button to start designing your first email in the sequence. In the email design window, enter a subject line that reflects your lead magnet. Use the rich text editor to create engaging content that introduces your lead magnet. Include a clear call to action button or link that leads to your lead magnet. Add images or videos if necessary to enhance the email's appeal. Preview the email to ensure everything looks proper and functions correctly. Click on the Save button to store your progress. To add additional emails, repeat the steps of adding email sequences, adjusting the delays as necessary. Once all emails are set up, navigate to the workflow settings. Review the summary of your automation to confirm it meets your expectations. Activate the automation by toggling the switch from draft to active. Monitor the performance of your email sequence under the Reports tab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.